Okay, I'm not really in the workshop today. You can tell I'm not dressed for it, but I just want to show you how I do some antiquing for an old chippy look. So these are old fence boards. Yesterday I came across just the edges with some dark stain, and because these are cedar and they have a lot of tannins, I'm just going to come up the middle kind of sloppily with some Kills. It's some primer blocker. All right, step 2 coming up next. So normally I might use some paste wax or Vaseline, but I'm out of both, so I'm using my good Walrus furniture butter. Basically, it's just going to put a barrier between the stain and the top coat of paint I'm going to do, so that when I distress these later, it comes off easier. And then right away, I'm coming over with my real white paint I'm using. All right, so here's those pieces on my very filthy workbench. But see how the paint didn't quite stick to the edges? Got pretty decent coverage, but not great, which is exactly what I wanted. I'm gonna come over tomorrow when this dries and hit all these edges with a scraper. All right, I had let that paint dry overnight and I grabbed a scraper. This is actually a trim molding guard for when you're painting, but it's got a nice sharp edge, so it works for me. So I'm just taking that paint right back off the edges and it gives it more of an antique look, and I'll dry brush the rest later. All right, and here's the final result. I hope you give this a try and let me know if it works for you.